got a drill. That's a cylinder there. Well, be careful now. I mean, get a splinter in the thing. Here, put the drill bit up there and drill a hole. Here's your drill bit. Here's your drill bit. Put it in there. Don't drop it. It'll go down behind the house, and you'll lose it.
I want.
You gonna look for your T-wrench?
Yeah, and put it in there.
Well, you forget the T-wrench out, and Papa put it in there.
Put it in there, Papa. Yeah.
Should we show Mama how we put that in there?
Put that in there. Put that in there. Put it in there.
What? Tell Mama what that is.
A two-wrench.
That's it.
T-wrench.
Oh.
For the house.
What are you making, sweetie?
Nothing.
Yeah, you are. That's what we use pills for. Are you making a bathroom?
I'm in the bathroom. I'm done. I hang it up. I hang it up. This is no here.
Now be careful. Be careful with it up there, because if you bump that, the drum will fall down and bang your head.
No,
You better get it down from up there.